Hello guys, so we're gonna make a video about black holes. Welcome to Science Pop, and let's get started. Our topic is black hole explained simply. Here's the intro. Introduction. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. They are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Scientists study black holes to understand how the universe works and how gravity behaves in extreme conditions. Even though we cannot see them directly with our naked eye, we know they still exist because of their effects and nearby stars and gas. Black holes challenge our understanding of space, time, and physics. Their forms from the death of massive stars can grow over time by absorbing matter. Today, they remain of one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in astronomy. What is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where an enormous amount of land is packed into a very small space, like like a ball. This creates extreme strong gravity that pulls everything inward. What do you think that pulls everything inward? A toilet? It takes all the water inside and into the drain. It could be a toilet or a sink. It does the same thing. When you pour water, it goes down. Because of this, nothing can escape it once it gets too close. This there's an area around the black hole that once you go there, you can't go back. I like to call it when you go, can't come out. When you go, can't come out. That's how I like to say it. This is Yeah, because of this, nothing can escape once gets too close, including light, like a flashlight, which is why black holes are invisible. I don't, but black holes are not invisible. We know that we can see black holes if we go way if a satellite goes way there. Plus, if a satellite went there, it would be true. If a satellite never went there, it wouldn't be true. So a satellite went there in 1989, and then it went there, and then it saw the black hole. So and then they bring it to Earth, not the black hole itself. They told the the satellite sent signals to the scientists what they saw. So they they saw black holes. And then black holes, now everybody knows black holes, except babies. Scientists define the edge of this region as the event horizon. Beyond this point, escape is impossible. Even though black holes cannot be seen directly with the naked eye, they can be detected by observing how they affect nearby objects. Their presence is often revealed by the bright disks of gas and dust orbiting them. How black holes form. Black holes are formed when massive stars, enormous stars, reach the end of their life cycle. After a star burns all their fuel, aka energy, it can no longer support itself against gravity. The core collapses. That means the inner layer of the sun, like of the star, life. The sun. The sun is long, as wide, and it has another layer and another layer and another layer and another layer until they go to the core, which is in the middle of the star. If it's collapsed inward, while the outer layer explodes in a powerful supernova. Look, if it explodes, it's gonna go down and then back up. Look, down and then back up. And then it makes a black hole. Next one. A black hole has several important parts that scientists study. The event horizon is the outer boundary where escape where when you go in, can't come back. That's what if you go inside a black hole, there's gonna be darkness. Where all matter is crushed into an infinitely small point. Surrounding the black hole is often a creation made of hot gas and dust. This can glow brightly due to friction and extreme heat. Some black holes also produce powerful jets of energy that shoot into space. Even though the inside cannot be seen, these structures help scientists understand how black holes behave. Types of black holes. There are different types of black holes depending on their size and origin. Stellar black holes form from collapsing stars and are relatively small but very dense. Intermediate black holes are larger and still being studied by scientists. Supermassive black holes are extremely large and can be millions or even billions of times the mass of the sun. These are usually found at the centers of the galaxies. They are also theoretical primordial black holes which may have formed shortly after the Big Bang. Each type plays a different role in the universe. The famous black holes. One of the famous black holes is Sagittarius A, located at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. It's a supermassive black hole that influences the movement of nearby stars. Another famous black hole is M87, which was the first black hole ever photographed by scientists. These discoveries helped confirm Albert Einstein's predictions about gravity and space-time. Studying these black holes allows scientists to understand how galaxies were formed and evolved. They also help test the limits of physics in extreme environments. These discoveries show that black holes are not theoretical, but real objects in space. Famous black holes. Wait. I did that. Sorry, guys. Don't worry about this. I already did that. What happens near a black hole? Near a black hole, gravity becomes extremely powerful and changes the behavior of space and time. Time actually slows down when compared to areas farther away, a concept called time dilation. Objects that get too close are stretched into long, thin shapes in a process known as spaghettification. Light also bends around the black hole due to its strong gravity. If something crosses the event horizon, it cannot escape back out. From the outside, it may appear to slow down and disappear. These effects make black holes very strange and difficult to fully understand. Conclusion. Black holes are among the most powerful and mysterious objects in the universe. They are formed when massive stars collapse and create regions of space where gravity is extremely strong. Although they cannot be seen directly, their effects reveal their presence. They play an important role in shaping galaxies and influencing cosmic structures. Scientists continue to study them to better understand gravity and the nature of the universe. Many questions about black holes are still unanswered, making them a major focus of modern astronomy. As technology improves, we may uncover even more secrets about these cosmic giants. I hope you have a good day, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the videos to others. Goodbye! And stay on the science side.